Why comment? Why comment? This is really important. 40% of the feed is Joe Lunchbox commented on this post. Breeds, familiarity with, your name keeps popping up, and maybe not the first time, maybe not the third time, maybe not the 20th time, not even the 50th time that someone sees your name. They probably won't click on your profile, but maybe the 93rd time they will click on your name, they will go to your profile, and then they'll exit it. And then maybe 30 more times, the 123rd time they go to your profile again, they're like, all right, I'll give them a chance again. Something tells them to click your profile. You got a website there. If they go to your website, you got something on your website. You got their email. Great, you got a lead. That's playing the long game with these comments, commenting on everyone's stuff with your honest opinions, with your thoughts, not just agreed. You can do that too, but you want to demonstrate higher value. That's what the DHV is here. Demonstrate higher value with your comments. I didn't really put any thoughtful comments here, but building rapport with hard-to-reach people. A lot of you know Dean Graziosi. Fun.